Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a wood DIY with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, I picked up the wooden blocks from the crafter section of the Dollar Tree. Here I have a little bit of paint from the Waverly that I purchased at Walmart. And I just grabbed a couple of items and I'm going to see how I'm going to put this together. So we're going to test this out together. So I'm starting out by staining these wooden blocks. Like I said, I'm not really sure the direction we're going to go, but I absolutely love one thing I know. I love Waverly. And so staining these blocks in that beautiful color, brown, I think this is the paint, not the wax. And then I grabbed some of those wooden rings they have at the Dollar Tree. They also have the Jenga blocks. So I'm not sure what direction I'm going in, but this is definitely how we're starting. And then we'll continue on to the next step. So in my stash, I also found a cross. So we're gonna find some way to incorporate that cross into this DIY. I do know that I'm making a candle holder, so I'm hoping this comes out beautiful. So now I grabbed a pack of the Jenga blocks and I took out the natural color ones. And I'm gonna go ahead with the hot glue and I'm gluing those together. So I did stain, once I glued the Jenga blocks together, I did stain it so it's all the same color. And now what I'm doing is I'm using the cement adhesive that the Dollar Tree sells. So what we want to do is go ahead and be in a well ventilated area, and we want to use the cement glue because we want to make sure this doesn't fall apart. So we are using the hot glue, which also gives it a temporary stick so that we can continue working. And then now really is time to embellish. So this is my favorite part. Now what I am loving is I'm using this chain from diycrafts, and what I'm doing is covering that seam that connects both those blocks. So just to give it a little, a little glam look. So now I decided to go ahead and glue those blocks to the Jenga blocks. I kind of made like a stand to hold the candle. So now I am just painting. I don't want to leave that. It just feels like it's not complete if you just don't paint the bottom of the wood. So we're painting the bottom and then we're going to flip that over because that Jenga block square is going to be the candle holder. Now, so then what I'm thinking about here is I said, okay, what am I going to use these round wood pieces? So we're going to use that as a guard there to keep the candle in that square. So it's almost going to be like a safety thing. And plus it looks so nice, doesn't it? Now, in order to for you to be able to see the cross, I had to go back and distress the cross with a lighter color, and that's what I did here. Now, I am so happy with the way this DIY turned out. We're going to go ahead and light the candle and we're going to head on over to the reveal. This was a great idea. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.